Alright, magandang araw, magandang umaga at panibagong, reaksyon tayo dito. So, ito nga biglang pagkamatay nitong si Bob Su, kung kilala bilang si Sanchay sa Vietnam dati, na pinalungkot nga ng buong, madlang people. No, sa nangyari nga, siya ay dating bata pa, 28 years old lamang, na tinamaan naman ng pneumonia, kaya biglang, pumanaw. Oo, hindi natin akalain na mangyari ang ganung bagay, kaya panoorin natin at, ayon-ayon para react sa pangyayari. Alright, RIP, Sanchay.
Ang New Year, pero nagkasakit at nauri sa pulmonya. Sa isang IG story, nag-post ng all-black photo, kasunod ng throwback photo ng Meteor Garden cast, ang Taiwanese actor at singer na si Ken Chu, na pinanati niya si Shime. Ang gumanap namang best friend, bisan siya sa series na si Xiao Yu, o Fame nga sa totoong buhay. Nagpasalamat at inalala ang kaibigan na sobrang niyang na-miss. Sa X, top trending topic si Barbie kung saan nagpaabot din ng fans ng kanilang kukiramay at inalala ang lumaki.
Taiwanese actress best known for her lead role in Meteor Garden has died due to pneumonia caused by influenza complications. She was 48 years old. Sue's death was confirmed by her sister Dee through her agent on Monday, February 3, after the actress contracted influenza-induced pneumonia during a family trip to Japan. According to a Taiwanese media report, Dee said she was grateful to have been Barbie's sister and that she would miss the actress. Barbie is survived by her second husband, South Korean singer and DJ Ko Jun-hyuk, and her two children, a 10-year-old daughter and an 8-year-old son, who she bore with her ex-husband, Chinese businessman Wang Xiaofei. Born Su Si-wan, Barbie is beloved by local fans for her role as Sanchay in the hit drama Meteor Garden, a Taiwanese TV adaptation of the Japanese manga Hana Yori Dango. She shared screen time with equally popular TV and music greats Jerry Yan, Vic Zhu, Ken Chu, and Vanessa Wu.